Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to share with you a few of my recent home decor additions. I've been rummaging through some online stores. I've been adding a few decor pieces. They're not vintage as well, just to add a touch, a little bit more sprinkle of that French style, French country style, or French cottage style to my home decor. So today I'm going to take you a little bit around my place to show you some of the details that I've been adding, and let me know in the comments sections if you redecorating or what kind of items you adding to your home decor just to make it a little bit more special to you, just to fit your personality and make your home feel like home to you. Just to surround yourself with the things that you enjoy. You know, I am a big believer that we should always have things around us that brings us joy, that makes us happy, make us smile when we look at them. And so these are a few items that I found and added to my home just to make it a little bit more like me. Like I've mentioned, I do like French country. I like vintage pieces. I think they add a little bit more character. They typically have slight more details than the items that are made today. I buy things very slowly and curate things, and I carry with me a lot of ideas that I like to translate then in my home in certain ways. And it's not something that I create kind of like a despair of the moment. I kind of watch it, think about it, analyze it, and then add it on. And so today I wanted to share with you what I got, and I hope that I still remember where I got most of the things. So I hope you enjoyed this. Make sure that you like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hello, so the first item that I wanted to share with you is the set of these two candlesticks. I got them on Etsy. I love that they're brass. They have a brass detail, as you can see. And I found these candlesticks. They're actually wonderful burners. They burn very evenly. They don't dribble a lot. As you can see, the burn is pretty clean, but they tapered and they did not fit inside of this candlestick. So I had to put a little bit wax to make sure that they don't tip over. Hence, they don't always stand upright. They have a little lean, but I can definitely recommend the candle. And while not necessarily antique pieces, because these plates are all Jalisca, so you can purchase them, you know, online. It doesn't require any specific collector items, but this is like a recent addition to my home decor, and it sits on top of this lovely cabinet, and it's really raw wood. It has not been painted before or pre-treated, so I kind of enjoy it collecting the patina on the wood, and I like the caning. This is really what attracted me to the chair, because I've been wanting to get something with this caning back, and a lot of it has the caning button seat, but it doesn't have the caning in the back. And this one was one that I was able to find. So again, I'm not sure yet if I will paint this white or give it kind of a white wash. For now, I like it. I think from the color combination, it's a good color combo, because this cabinet is sort of in the same family as the chair. So for now, I'm good with this. I really love this cage. I originally thought I'm going to maybe put it outside, but I really like this over here, and it allows the plant to kind of peek out of there. And I have a little chinoiserie pot in there too to kind of combine all of the colors. I like the kind of rusty touch here on this cage, but I also like the green color that reflects a little bit of the color of the granite that is on top of this cabinet. So this is overall you know, my decor here on the side, my little vignette So the other item that I grabbed on Etsy was this serving bowl, and I just love the details. So obviously it has these pretty legs, it has this pattern outside, and then the lovely pattern inside. I like this pretty picture, and this is made, let's see, I can't quite made up of who made this, but even the stamp is lovely. I think it's this way. Even the stamp is a very pretty one. And you know, obviously I don't buy all of these pieces because they are of some collector's value. I a lot of times just buy it because I like them. I like that they're unique. I like the attention to detail on some of these corners and the finishes. I scrubbed this a few times, but the stains here are still visible, which doesn't really bother me all that much, but I'm just wondering, I think this has happened because somebody had this item hanging on the wall, and maybe those brass hooks left a mark, so it would seem to me, because this is like on a lower part of this plate. But overall, I find this is a lovely piece. I think especially now, holiday season coming up, I think this would look lovely, maybe serving some veggies, or just for display purposes, maybe put a little arrangement in there, maybe some glass balls. So we'll see how I utilize it. I just like having this on the counter as like a little pop of blue color. The other things that I added have been some pillows. So I have these green pillows, these toile pillow. There's the evergreen pillow and this calendar pillow. This calendar pillow is pretty much everywhere on the internet. I think you can get it on Williams & Son on my website too. But I can really recommend these pillows. They're from One Kings Lane. They make extremely comfortable, super plush, very good quality pillows. Their stuffing is made out of down, and I picked the colors because they reflect my kind of mural over there on the wall. As you can see, there's a lot of greens and grays and yellows and blues. And so that's why I wanted to reflect them, reflect the colors here on the couch. Hope you enjoyed this video with my recent finds, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.